Hello guys, this is Sanjana Parihar, an intern at LEXIS and Company, and I'm pursuing BLLB. This is my first year. This video we're going to talk about Supreme Court on criminalization of politics. This year, Supreme Court in the two different judgments has raised concern about the meanings of criminalization in politics. Uh, in one case, it found 9 political parties guilty of the contempt for not following in letter and spirit its February 13, 2020 direction. In another case, it had issued directions that no criminal case against MPs or MLAs can be withdrawn without an approval of the High Court of the concerned state. Now we'll see what case 1 was exactly. Political parties penalized for contempt. Uh, February 13, 2020 order. The February 2020 order required political parties to publish details of criminal cases against its candidates on their websites, a local vernacular newspaper, national newspaper, and social media accounts. This is to be done within 48 hours of the candidate selection or not less than 2 weeks before the first date for filing of nomination, which is whichever is earlier. Now, Supreme Court directives where the court took a lenient view on the matter, as it was the first election, Bihar Assembly election 2020, conducted after the issuance of its political party to have a caption candidates with criminal antecedents candidates on their home pages. It asked Election Commission of India to create a dedicated mobile application containing information published by the candidates regarding their criminal antecedents. Now the court appealed to the conscience of the lawmakers to come up with a law tackling the criminalization of the politics. In another case, which was approval of High Court for withdrawing the criminal cases against MPs and MLAs, the bench was hearing a pleading PIL seeking establishment of fast track courts for the cases against legislators. In November 2017, the Supreme Court had ordered setting up of special courts in each state to try the pleading cases. Accordingly, 12 such courts were set up across the country. The Supreme Court gave the directives to examine the withdrawals, whether pending or disposed, or since last year. A High Court Chief Justice to constitute special benches to monitor the progress of the criminal cases against sitting and former legislators. Judicial officers presiding over special courts or CBI courts involving prosecution of MPs or MLAs shall not be transferred until further orders. Asked all the high courts to furnish details of posting of judges and the number of pending and disposed cases before them. Uh, there are like criminalization about politics. Let's learn a little bit about that. It means the participation of criminals in the politics, which includes the criminal can contest in the elections and get elected as a member of parliament and the state legislature. It takes place primarily due to the nexus between the politicians and the criminals. Now, what's the reason behind this? Lack of political will, lack of enforcement, narrow self interest, as publishing of the entire criminal history of candidates fielded by political parties may not be very effective. Use of muscle and money power, obviously. What's the effect of it? Against the principle or free, fair election, it limits the choice of the voters against the ethos of free and fair elections, affecting good governance, affecting integrity of public servants, causes social disharmony, it introduces a culture of violence in the society. I guess the nature of the government machinery needs to change to make it more transparent and accountable and pervade. awareness among the people, especially the people who vote for them about their rights, and they should vote for the right person should be created. Thank you. This was all for today's video. If you have any questions related to it, please let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, this video does not solicit any kind of promotions or advertisements according to the Bar Council of India, and this is for education purposes only. If you like the video, then please like it and subscribe for more like this. Thank you.